DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. The gang is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang. I see what we are dealing with today. A mad artist that I've been into react to on the channel, but we haven't got around to. I could have sworn I reacted to something. Or maybe I have a private video. I don't know, man. I know we've reacted to Nhance before, bro. Ain't no way. You see me I say, but I think because I do delete videos that are older that's not so good in quality, I do really, so maybe I've, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I've reacted to this one though for sure. You see me? This one is actually requested by one of the Dan Mafia member them. You see me I say? This was requested by one of the Dan Mafia member them. This was requested by hold on gang. Yeah. R.I.P. Bob, Wagwan. You see me? R.I.P. Bob requested this one. A couple other people requested this one. I can't see the name I'm going over. But yeah, man, we there. Nhance. The one named Time and God. You see me? I say we check it out and see what dog I deal with today. You see me? I say apparently dog dropped this about a month ago. A month ago or a couple months ago, and I haven't got around to it. But yeah, we check it out. See what dog I deal with Time and God. Some like some motivational. You see me? Inspirational track. You see me? I say we check it out. We don't want to vibe much longer. Gang, you already know what time it is. For the blood clot are gone. Anyway, let's get it.
Time and God. MG. Time and God.
Time and God. Time and God.
Me believe in a time and God. But when you act too nice, then go around you. Some man did that for move while I'm bad. Fears me never hide from that. See line them never tell life and that.
No, man. Pull up that bomb. Man, come in, man. I've pull up this a big tune, man. You see me and say a big tune, man. Hold on there, I've pull up the one, man.
Some man did that for move while
I'm bad. Come in.
Fears me never hide from that. See line them never tell life and that. No life.
Fears never. Hey. Fears me never hide from that. I want to them, man. Come on, talk to them.
Too nice, then go around you. Some man did that for move while I'm bad. Fears me never hide from that. See line them never tell life and that. No lie people come up burn night bad. Me would drink and you see all like ganja. Defend my money cause I'm my damn bag. I'm gonna shoot any pussy on the island, yeah.
Defend my money cause I'm my bag that. Hey, come in. I want to my yo. Be able to hey.
Like people come up burn night bad. Me would drink and you see all like ganja. Defend my money cause I'm my damn bag. I'm gonna shoot any pussy on the island, yeah. I'm a blood class star, so I'm proud of myself. Me I come from far. People class me as done spot dog. I see I'm done spot got funds and cash.
Easy no man. Talk to them youth, bro. Hey, Nhance. Yo, Nhance. You're bad artist. Bad artist, my youth. How I go and do the thing, yo. Oh shit. Come on. You see me answer? Yo. Yeah, boy. Come in, Nhance. Come in.
Come up burn night bad. Me would drink and you see all like ganja. Defend my money cause I'm my damn bag. I'm gonna shoot any pussy on the island, yeah. I'm a blood class star, so I'm proud of myself. Me I come from far.
Oh, you mean? Come in. Yeah, man, I want to. Come in, how you mean? They don't know where you go through in a life, you know. You see me?
I'm a blood class star, so I'm proud of myself. Me I come from far. People class me as done spot dog. I see I'm done spot got funds and cars. So how you want judgment cause man come from a ghetto did broke like dog. Money they
want judgment come. Hey, come in. Hey, that's the tune, yeah. Time and God, man. You see me and say Yeah, man, the stone on the bill that refuse to come head corner stone, you know. Come in.
Got funds and cars. So how you want judgment? Cause man come from a ghetto, did broke like dog. Money there, know how we are up standard.
Yeah, now we are up standard, man. What you mean, man? Little by little, we are up thing, man. You see me now watch nobody just keep focused on our goal. You see me and just move forward little by little. You see me? Yeah, man, that mafia. Yeah, pull out the tune. Yo, man, pull up the tune. Hey, yo, hey, man. I feel like take it from the top. Yeah, man, but big tune for step from the top, man. I'm tuning, man. We don't have to go sick at this. I'm tuning, man. Big tune, Nhance. Flip it and send it to the artist. Big tune, yo. You see me? I'm tear, man. Time, man. God. That mafia. 10K we are reach this year, you know. You see me? I say enough people, you say I got reach here. 6K we there in a gang. You see me? 200 from 6K and 4K from that to 10K. And we got this. Come in.
Me believe in a time and God. But when you act too nice, then go around you, some man did have to move wild and bad. Face me fears, me never hide from that. See line, them me never tell lie on that. No lie people call me paranoid bad. Me would drink 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 like ganja. Defend my money cause I'm my damn
bag.
Bag I'm who shoot any pussy on the island, yeah. I'm a blood class star, so I'm proud of myself, me I come from far. People,
hey, yo, easy now, hey.
Me I come from far. People class me as done spot dog. I see him done spot, got funds and cars. So how you want judgment? Cause man come from a ghetto, did broke like dog. Money there, I know how we are up standard. Yeah. Look on the life we live in, one MIM, millions in minutes. Father God, I just the thanks we giving away.
Come on, no man, come in. Father God, I just the thanks we give. You see me and say more life.
Millions in minutes. Father God, I just the thanks we giving away. Yeah, we did it. Look on the life we live in, one MIM, millions in minutes. I just the thanks we giving. I got money and I smoke ganja. Have $1 million and I float pan that. Top girl I give me heads what I wore them body no be.
That song, this man chopping, bro. This man chopping, yo.
In a youth then you know you are. I never am a venture for par enough pussy style me. I'm a member, my dog work twice as hard. The revenge for gone. Yeah.
Twice as hard, the revenge for gone. Come in now, man.
The whole of them are for bad girl. Take numbers, say she no member for call. I see them girl now I give me hits now my car. When the low pro tire, just a press on the tar. Big fat mark, X button press on the car. Thirsty bums was my friend now, par now me reach.
Come in now, man. Talk truth now, man.
Party a top shelf on the bar. Plus me can't go jail, got the feds now my palm. Mama skin out the pussy, me we spend by your mom. No. We did it. The life we live in, one MIM.
Come on, no one. This shit. One MIM. Millions in minutes to say no. Come in.
Millions in minutes. Father God, I just the thanks we giving. We did it. Find the life we live in, one MIM. Millions in minutes. Father God, I just the thanks we giving.
Millions in minutes.
We giving. That's a bleach out.
Nhance. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That bad. Big. That gang, you see me and say, yeah man, Nhance, pick up yourself, dog. Real talented artist. You see me, Mr. TJ bring me out on some fest and sit. You see me and say, yeah man, the man is talented. Just keep going, dog. You see me and say, you definitely got a place in the dance hall, bro. Keep going, put in work, keep consistent, man. Drop frequently. By next year, then time you solidified. I'm telling you, talented. This a tune, yeah? Big tune. Gang, you don't know what time it is, but I know one thing about the one in the comment section. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. You know, say the dancing, you see me I say? And let me know what your favorite part is. Chop it up, beat search, my video, all that good stuff. Let's get a dialogue going. Let's talk about it, man. You see me I say? So maybe I'll be finding some hilarious shit in videos too. So if you find something funny, let's do something crazy, something I missed, comment, all that good stuff. You see me? So let's get a dialogue going. You already know. Drop your request so you can get your shout out. 48𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂, big up your damn self. You already know what time it is, gang. You don't know about Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.